Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, 1000x in crypto can literally change anyone's life. What is 1000x? That is 100,000% increment. That means somebody is investing $1,000, that will be converted into $1,000,000. Somebody investing $5,000, that can be converted into $5,000,000. And something like this has been consistently been possible within the crypto. In fact, we have the live examples of people who have literally done it. And not just that, even far more than that. In fact, even the BitBoy crypto, starting like within 2 years time frame, he converted $10,000 into $26 million. That is that will be like 2600x, right? So something like this is very much possible. What I'm going to do is, in this video, practically we are going to look coin by coin how something like this we can make it possible. And this is the reason, like, because my audience, that's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all. And when we backtrack, when we backtest the things, like what should have been done previously to maximize our gains, what could have been the best strategy, we can literally, if we do that again, we can repeat the same result. Just that we are not able to backtrack it well. So I'm going to go coin by coin and strategy by strategy how something like this is still possible for all of us. Make sure you watch the video completely till the end. Also, within the video, I'm going to tell you how can you win one full Bitcoin completely free. So let's begin with the video. So the 1000x, number one strategy, like there was this guy Ran Neuner, and basically he converted $35,000 into $35 million. That is like 1000x, right? And how he did that? By investing into the coins that were really at the low cap, but he believed that they can change the world. And he invested like 7 of the coins, $5,000 each, and eventually like average $35,000 converted to $35 million. To give an example, which kind of coin can do something like that. So I'm going to open this Binance coin, and then we are going to see the history of this. But there is something else that I'm going to tell you, like, is this like, yes, people could have done, a lot of people have done 1000x with Binance. Even right now, like at the peak of the bull market, it reached $600, right now it is sitting at $274. People actually invested into Binance when it was $43 million market cap. That means when it was less than $1, right? Some of the people were able to catch it at 10 cents. Some of the people were able to catch it at 30 cents. And let's say right now, if somebody at this point of time, as you can see, 8th of September 2017, 22 cents, let's say 27 cents, you were able to catch it. Obviously, at the peak of the bull market, you would have made 2000x. And right now, you would still be sitting at 1000x. All you had to do is just catch this particular coin at this point of time, and then be patient enough for the next bull market to come. Now here's the thing, this was an exchange, this had a potential for the mass adoption. So if you can find the coins that are really low cap, see at this point of time, for Binance to further do 1000x, almost it is quite impossible. We are talking about 43, how much? We are talking about $43 trillion. Almost impossible, right? So even though Binance has a really great basics, but doing 1000x something like this right now, impossible. So where you need to go, you need to be finding the coins that literally you believe can change the world. And let me tell you, out of 100, 95 of them won't even survive. They will not do 1000x. They will just eventually die down after a certain period of time. So if something like this happens, and even like let's go on to the other coin, this one, the Polygon or Matic. So if I try to open this Polygon or Matic, again, people did 200x, 300x, right? You could have caught it, like it went approximately $3 at the max, and people did catch it at 3 cents. or probably 2 cents, some of them even 1 cent, right? Like if you would have caught it and seen, okay, there is a address growth, usage, mass adoption is happening, you could have made 200x, 300x out of it, obviously, and then another 2x, 3x could have made 1000x. But the point is, are we really able to find such coins so much? Because if everybody is able to find such coins, then definitely everybody is going to make 1000x. That's where there comes the another strategy that I'm going to talk about. To make 1000x, the only thing that you do is consecutively find 3 coins that will do 10x, and then the next coin again 10x, and then the next coin again 10x. For example, you have $2,000, you do 10x, it becomes $20,000. You do another coin, invest in another coin, it does 10x, it becomes $200,000, and then you invest in another coin, it becomes 10x, it becomes $2 million. All you had to do, this is the second way strategy. Now let me tell you, doing 10x is far easier than doing the 1000x. In fact, a lot of coins which may not be really good at fundamentals, they have done 10x. And it is not that you just have to find it at the top. Let's say, even at this point of time, okay, Polygon has a great potential and the bull market is starting. Somebody who would have invested at this point like 39 cents at the top of it, like almost 10x, like 8x, 9x, right? Almost missed the 10x or 30x onto this. After missing the 30x, still you could have made the 10x on this particular coin. The moment that you make the 10x, that should be your goal. You need to be finding the coins that are really good at fundamentals, so that, let's say you were not able to time it right. You were trying to buy at this point of time and then it further dipped at this over here. But because the fundamentals of the coin is so well that in the future or by the next bull market, it is going to go really high. Matic is one of the coin. So you just have to hold it long enough. And the moment that you hold it long enough, eventually the goal is to do 10x. That's it. When you make this particular goal, why something like this I'm saying is that, let's say at this point of time, a lot of people, like from here, a lot of people were expecting Polygon to go to, let's say, $10, right? And then they might have held it over and over. Even with the crash, they would have held it, and they would have been even again back to 40 cents. Started with 40 cents, back to 40 cents. So chances of parabolically a coin going to 1000x, you have to go through a lot of roughs and toughs. Probably, yes, you can reserve a part of your investment where you want to stay for 5 years into a particular coin and you can wait for the 1000x. But at the same time, the safest strategy would be just aim for the 10x from a coin that literally has a great fundamentals, that has proven to be a great fundamentals, that is highly cheap right now, and just aim for the 10x. Invest your coin and then hold it for the 10x whenever it happens. 8x, 9x, whenever you see the change of trend or whatever, you can cash out. Let's say you would have cashed out at this point of time, not even at the top. At this point of time, you would have cashed out. You have made 8x, right? You have converted your $2,000 into $16,000. All you had to do, hunt for the next coin. And how do you hunt for the next coin? Let's say this was your next pick, probably at any point of time, like even during the bull market, transition from the bull to the bear market. Now for Solana, let's say it has a great fundamental. Obviously, if you hold it long enough, we all know it is going to explode like Ethereum by the next bull market. So even if things go wrong, we still will be able to make it big, right? But let's say you have already seen this parabolic jump onto Solana. What are the chances we are going to do 10x from here? Probably the chances are less. So what you're going to do, even though the coin is really great, the fundamentals are really great, doing 10x from here, it seems pretty tough. Or even the risk management we are not covering. Why? Because if it falls back, just the way like any of the coin after the parabolic run falls back, you'll be losing a ton of money. So again, you shift onto the next coin, shift onto the coin that has great fundamental and that has not already pumped up yet. For example, after taking the gains on the Matic, you could have seen, okay, Solana is really great fundamental and still has not done it big. You could have invested at this point of time, $36, $30, right? And at this point, obviously, we already had Matic being jumped, like had so much of the gains. 10x was already done. So at this point of time, you could have invested anywhere, $30, $35, and then just waited for the next 10x because the parabolic run hasn't happened and it has a great fundamentals. And the moment the parabolic run had happened, probably at this point of time, like you're seeing the double tops, things are not looking like the things are falling back. You've already made 7, 8x, right? Obviously, you won't be hitting the exact 10x number. You have made another 8x. Try to do the math. From $16,000, you would have made $128,000. You have converted your $2,000 into $128,000. What is the next thing that you have to do? You have to find another 10x. Where do you find another 10x? Keep on hunting, keep on looking for. Let's say this was the next narrative, like the GMT coin, right? STEPN. Probably within this, you need to see where are you right now at a particular time when you're investing. You believe that it is a great fundamental coin, and even if it is a long-term hold coin, right? But if you have already seen the parabolic jump, what would you do? You would not be investing into it. But if you have seen that, okay, it is just taking the move, right? This is 2022, by the way, guys. The next 10x opportunity is here. You invest again your $128,000 in here and then wait for long enough, you would have got 10x, right? The moment that you get 10x, do not be greedy. Do not think later on, okay, it went 20x, I should have waited. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is 8 to 10x. You've done 10x, you have converted $128,000 into $1.2 million. That means $2,000 has been converted into $1 million plus. That's how, guys, is the best strategy. If you try to backtrack, try to see which are the coins, which are the narratives you could have done it well. Try to practice it. Slowly you'll get better at it. The point here is waiting for Matic to do jump from $3 to $30. It's far riskier than waiting for another great fundamental coin which has not already pumped, because it won't do 1 by 10th, right? Because it hasn't pumped up yet. So the downside is far less than the upside. So now you are playing it smart. So that is the strategy, guys, I wanted to reveal. Apart from investing into the technologies and then giving it enough time to do its thing, and that's when you make the life-changing gain. That's the another strategy. So I hope that you really found the video helpful. Again, guys, I told you there is a chance to win 1 full Bitcoin. How do you do that? You just have to sign up via our referral link to the best exchange in the world, Binance. The link is down below in the video description. You sign up once, you buy any crypto, you qualify it for the rest of your life. Every time we complete 1,000 referral, we'll make a lucky draw. You will be part of that draw. You can even win Bitcoin 10 times. It doesn't matter. It just matters how lucky you are. You just sign up once and automatically we'll keep on doing the lucky draw, and you always keep on having the chance of winning that 1 full Bitcoin. Watch the quick video. In the end, smash the like button if you like the content. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not already. Comment down below for what do you think is the best strategy to make 1000x, to make that life-changing wealth that we all deserve within the crypto. See you all, guys, in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win 1 full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one-time task. What is that one-time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning 1 Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.